The way that I center a t-shirt. I think I've done videos for this before, but I was kind of confusing in some of them. So I'm going to show you how to center a t-shirt a couple different ways depending on what you're doing. So if you want the front and the back of your t-shirt separate so that you can tie different designs on them, or so that you get nice saturation for designs, especially like this spider design, then what you're going to do is you're going to pick up one sleeve and you're going to tuck it through the body and into the other sleeve of the t-shirt. And then what I do is I line up the bottom hems on the sleeves here, line that up in there, and then if you shake that out a little bit, then you reach in and you line up the shoulder seams, then you can usually shake the whole t-shirt out. But what I'll do is find the middle or the front of the t-shirt and smooth things out, grab the back of the t-shirt. So now this here is the front and the back here at the bottom. And then pick that up, grab the top, shake that out, and then you have a nice folded in half shirt. And the front and the back of the t-shirt are in two separate places here. So in this case, I could fold the back, or take the back out of it and do a design just on the front. But and I've turned it inside out so that I can see the seams here, because I need to center this t-shirt. So what I'm going to do is just kind of smooth the edges out, and then I pick up the bottom two corners of the t-shirt and put those together. And then I'm going to gather that up. So these are the two corners that I put together, and at the other end then I have the center of the front and the back of the t-shirt. So once everything is lined up and even on both sides, then what I'm going to do is pinch just the front of the t-shirt right here. So that's the front of the t-shirt, this is the back of the t-shirt, and basically I'm just pulling the back out. So I'm opening the t-shirt all the way up, so I have just the front of the t-shirt folded here in the middle. And then I'm going to, while still holding this in my hand, I'm grabbing the top of the t-shirt at the collar, and I'm lining up these two shoulder seams here on either side. So I'm just kind of looking inside the t-shirt and lining those up right on top of each other, and then I pull my finger forward on the front of the collar. So this here is right at the front of the collar, right here at the neckline. So I have the center of that, and now I have the center of the bottom of the t-shirt. So there's each side with a sleeve on there. What I'm going to do is put the top and the bottom together, and then I use a washable marker or something here. Draw a little line on those. And now I have the t-shirt centered where I can draw a line right down the middle of it. So let me grab. Okay, so now with my yardstick, I can draw a line right down the center of this t-shirt, and then I know how to position my design on there.